Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to download and install HiTV, you can say that HiTV app on your PC. So there's no direct way to install it, but I will show you how you can install this and how you can also use this on your laptop or PC. So we have to use our Android emulators, so that I'm just going to use BlueStack here. Right, so BlueStack is something, right? BlueStack helped me to play all these games and play all this application which is only possible in mobile phone. It can be this BlueStack make us possible to use those application in our laptop PC. So here we have to install, and I will just go and click on download, and here it's already download just setup. I will click and open it up, right? And so this is setup, click on yes, and here the setup checking your system. Of course, because it's require a little bit of good system, at least above than i3 processor. Now here change your location where you want to install, so I will just go and click on change folder here, right? And here I will select the folder, right? For example, I want to change the folder. I'm not getting off. Okay, so here it is, the PC. I want to install in here in the software section. Click on OK. Now here I will just go and click on install now, right? And here click on I agree. Now it will just download for a few seconds, so you have to just wait now, right? And here it's installing, by the way. Let's go to the home page here. And here once it get downloaded, automatically it will check your system requirements, so you have to just wait. Now here, once it get installed, you have to just go and click on next, and here they will just show you the what kind of features the BlueStack provide. Now here you can see, let me make it full screen here. This is store here, right? And this is just like our Android phones. Now this is, okay, let me minimize here. And this is just like our Play Store. Now here I can just type Hi TV, right? But there's a no HiTV, right? So for example, let me show you how this works. If I just go and look for Instagram here, there will be available and I can install and use this, right? But for the HiTV, you have to go and click on add player here, right? And here it will just load because they are starting BlueStack app player, right? And you have to just wait until it complete here. So the player has been turned on. Now you have to go and click on system apps. By the way, you will find the same thing. There's Play Store here, this is Play Store here, right? But if you want to download any kind of apps which you don't find it anywhere, you will always find it in this one. So you have to go to the system apps, then click on Play Store. Now if you're using it for the first time, then it will ask you to log in just like how you do it over your Google account, right? On your Android phone, so you have to use your email address here. So I have added my email address here, right? And I'm into my Play Store. Now here you have to go to the search bar. You will find the same thing. That is exactly how we use in our Android phone. Now here you have to look for HiTV, and here you will find the HiTV, right? And you will find it because it's not showing in my case due to issue of region, because in my country it has not been published till now. But in your case, you will find the HiTV on the first. Now you can just click on it, click on install, and after installing you can just go and click on open, right? So this is how you can do this. It's really easy. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.